Hello my dear friends, let's upcycle one old box where before I kept my street garland to Santa Claus mailbox. I began it with measuring size for the hole where we can put mails. Cut it out and used white permanent marker to make it looks like gingerbread house style. And of course I use simple usual box, but you also put in their mails. After that you can take it off by just opening from the front background, and every normal people could stop here, but I'm not looks like myself if I'm not doing it. Looks more Santa Claus's colors and Santa Claus style. I decided to remade it for beautiful style and to make the Santa mails information more correct and with straight corners. And of course I color it to red. I used a simple point. Let it dry for 1 day after coloring 2 layers for better result. And this is how it looks like at the final result. I like it very much. And also we need envelopes to put our Santa's wish list, and I do it by myself. Of course I do it with thick paper because we would like to use it the next year. And our Santa's mailbox from December 1 will be coming advent calendar, for what also I made cards. So I decided to draw it by myself because I do it with so lovely and for my babies and for us also. As you see, I draw in a postcard, Santa Claus mail signed on these envelopes and glue it, and of course it almost finished. I almost forgot these red stripes. I don't know, but in my childhood memories, I think I saw some envelopes with these red stripes. I don't know what does it mean, but it's look gorgeous. Don't you agree? Look how it looks on our wall. And of course from first day of December I'm going to take out the Santa Claus mailbox sign that I put it in the corners, and I will go to put there our cards from 1st December, 2nd, and every day it will be count down to 31 December, because we do not celebrate in Armenia Christmas first. We celebrate Happy New Year and then Christmas. That's why our advent calendars counted to 31. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel and see you soon. Bye bye.